how to change models on Google AI Studio. So when I generated this particular text, it actually used Gemma 2. So if you want to change that, you can also click on this model right here and you can use the Gemini 1.0 Pro, the Flash, and as well as a 1.5 Pro. For example, let's use this Gemini 1.0 Pro. And then from in there, let's head over and then run the actual thing that we have right here. So make a 2-paragraph from this. Let's click on this run right here. And then you should be able to see this. It actually timed it as well. And you can see this is what it looks like. So in here, it also cites the sources. And you can see that they actually finds or performs the same, but it differs on the structure. So it has another structure and it has also another structure in here as well. So on some cases, the Gemini 1.0 Pro can be detected by AI, and that is actually a really hard or difficult thing if you're actually writing a message paper and you have been detected for AI. So you can head over and then change models to your liking, which ones you want in this case. So that's how you change models on Google AI Studio. Hope we helped.